In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView effectively, helping you maximize your trading experience with its robust tools. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to TradingView. TradingView is an incredibly versatile platform that offers real-time data and a plethora of tools for traders at any level. Once you are on the home page, look towards the top of the screen to locate the search bar. TradingView's search feature is powerful. It allows you to swiftly find the stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and more that you are interested in tracking. So go ahead and click on Search. Now, after you've navigated to your desired asset, the next step is to launch a chart. The chart feature of TradingView is where all the magic happens. This is where you can start analyzing the asset's performance over time. Look for the Launch Chart option. It's generally prominent enough that you won't miss it. Once you click on that, a detailed interactive chart appears. Here, you can play around with different time frames, chart types, and a variety of indicators that suit your trading strategy. Next, let's locate the Trading Panel button within the chart interface. The Trading Panel serves as your command center where you can execute trades directly from the chart. Clicking on it will open up the various features that streamline your trading process, especially handy during fast-moving markets. It's a seamless way to keep your trading activity organized and at your fingertips. With the Trading Panel open, look for the Trade button. This option allows you to execute trades on the asset you've selected. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this function as it directly impacts how you engage with the market. Once you click on Trade, you'll see additional options unfold. An essential feature to explore is the DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. By clicking on DOM, you can view the order book of the selected asset. This gives you insightful data regarding the current buy and sell orders. Understanding the market depth is invaluable for assessing market liquidity and potential price movements. Then, look for the Dynamic Mode option next. Dynamic Mode adjusts the display of the order book to provide real-time updates, making it easier to spot trends or shifts in market sentiment. It's a helpful tool for making more informed decisions. Now, let's get into the actual trading part. To make a buy order, select Buy Makta. This action tells TradingView you're purchasing the asset at the current market price. Immediately after, if you're ready to sell, clicking on Sell MKT will enable you to offload your position. Both options are essential for executing trades efficiently within the platform. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide that navigates through TradingView's key functionalities. By following these steps, you'll have the confidence and tools necessary to make informed trading decisions on this robust platform. Happy trading, and remember to keep exploring all that TradingView has to offer.